footing. Holy shit! How's it going, peoples? Today we're riding out here remote in Bolivia at 4,000 meter off-road, rocky ass, and run into a little problem, and that is washed out section of the road. But what I'm going to do is try and rebuild the road a bit and see if we can get Alp's fat ass across to the other side. I don't even know if that road leads to the bottom of the valley 20 k's further on. Not sure, but we gotta check. But first we gotta cross this section. Do some serious road engineering. Let's get on it. So, first point of difficulty, this section here. Put some rocks. Yeah, doable. Yeah. Real danger spot number one is here. You'll bounce off there if you're not careful. Rear wheel might slide off and then cross. But it's a bit tough to fill up, but it should be possible. Now you're good here. Cross the shit. Here. Alright. Fill this up. Then you got some real iffy shit. You could come through here. Stay real close to the side, but every wheel spin could slide the bike sideways. Fat chance. Fill this up. Fill that up. Right. Alright. New day, and we're gonna do something of which I'm not sure if it's possible. Again, the locals warned against it. Since Mount Fuji. So we're gonna go down there. One of the locals said it becomes rocky, rock terraces like staircases. I'm gonna go as far as I can, and then when I get to the hard stuff, see how it looks like. But my plan is to get to the other side. Wow. Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay. At least it does get rocky. This is also definitely some New Zealand flashbacks. How do you find these roads? Zoom in until white roads appear, and if they start zigzagging, that's when you got some good shit. This is the good shit. Good shit. Oh shit. God damn. Is this the time that locals win? Yeah. You might be right about this one. When the road's bloody washed away, that's a different story, isn't it? This was an emergency. I could build the road and then get around that corner. Now you need to stack rocks. Now if you had a 250 here, the chances would be a lot better. But there's a small path that's dotted, which should be pure tracking, that bypasses this whole section. No idea how it looks like, but it could save what we're trying to do here today still. So let's go back a bit. Let's have a look, okay? I went ahead a bit to scout out the place, and glad I did, because there you run into trouble already. See that? You can barely walk across there. I'm really considering going back and rebuilding that section. Thinking about it. Don't be scared. Chill. Here's the thing. Possible, but small margin of error. That rear slides sideways for just more than a little bit, you might be in some deep shit. Let's get building. All right, first tough spot. Fill that up. It's like a puzzle. See how volatile everything is? How's that? I need to stick here and not here. This is like backup. That's not too bad, is it? Got a little bit more margin of error. And now I gotta fill this section up. Insane in the midbrain. That's a big one. Woo. Can't believe fucking doing this. Yeah, you can hear the water still mildly flowing. Number 2 is done. Look at this beaut. These big rocks here, these 2 here, and a little bit extra here, support all the way down. Next up, toughest bit. How stuck is this? The more I can use the sidewall, the better. Don't want to cause a landslide though. The trickiest parts. This is the one we unearthed. This here, put this one there. Not too fond of that one yet completely, but we're getting there. Doesn't help I'm doing this with one hand because of the camera. Oh, no worries, man. Doesn't have to be perfect. Only have to ride 210 kilo bike at least, and then yourself over it. Don't worry, mate. All right, Roadworks are over, and we gotta sell something pretty sturdy. It's interesting when you got to build something where your life kind of depends on it. This is going to be a bit of a tricky part, even though it's not very dangerous, but to get footing, took down a wall here a bit more, got more space, filled up the jaggedness here. This is not very great here. Should be good enough. Let's get ready. But first, I'm going to have breakfast finally. Have myself a late afternoon breakfast, can of tuna. While that settles, I finished the last section here. I feel my whole body core. So now we take most of the stuff off, so I'm less top heavy. Costs a lot of energy, especially at 4,000 meters. I'm taking that bag off because it's a bit of a hassle. Put it back on. Hope laziness doesn't bite me in the ass later. And definitely, ideally, I would like to take the tank bag off, but I'm low on all of my electronics, battery and reserve batteries. I'm charging them. The only way to keep them is in the tank bag. The only problem at 4,000 meters, some of you have seen before, is lacking some extra power. You really need it. I hope it doesn't become an issue there on the slope. PSI in the tire, 15. All right. That's one. Okay, now the iffy bit. Or it's going to be easy, or it's going to have a little suspected surprise. You got to push it to the left a bit so I can have the space. Oh shit. Oh, woo! Ah, yes, I'm lacking a lot of energy. I wish I had some sugar. Nothing, I just have tuna. I'm going to have a very sharp turn here. I have to dig into the wall here a bit so I can really get this turn. Oh, the hardest part here is getting my footing. Holy shit! You saw that? That's me almost tipping to the right here. Can barely reach the ground. I knew this was going to be hard here. Got it. Okay, that's steep. Yeah! Whoa! The village is like 20 k's or more back. I don't even know if I'll reach people the next 20-30 k's. And I'm doing this shit. Jesus. Yeah, I didn't have the power, like I said, 4,000 meters to just gently come up here. So you have to gun it. And it's like, please don't slide sideways. Please don't wash out rear end. Oh, beautiful. Drag all the stuff here, build it up. And hopefully I don't have to come back this way. This is how on the road data management looks like. Got a full card on the camera. Hi peoples, you made it. That was big fat ass, but twice things felt a bit close. Too close for comfort. Really hope I don't have to come back and that this will eventually lead somewhere. When there's no more road, there's a way. And you just gotta build it. Don't do this at home. Take it easy, folks. Oh, and if you enjoyed this bit of madness, subscribe to the channel, because then you'll see more of this so-called adventure ride. And if you subscribe, click on the bell, because YouTube, you know, you might be, hey, I want to see more of this guy, and then they don't show you. So click on the bell if you really, really want to see it. Ciao, peace out.
Hey peoples, if you like the videos, please consider supporting the channel, since it takes considerable time to make these. With your help, I can sit down and consistently make new episodes. Check out the link in the description. Thanks.